Alright, what's up guys? So in today's video I'm going to show you a trading system, a strategy that is so extremely simple you're not going to believe it. Alright, so you need to try this out. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We have 25,000 subscribers. It's amazing to see how quickly this channel has grown, and I'm just so happy for the positive feedback that we're getting. And yeah guys, you guys are awesome, and we have a great community here. So I love doing these videos for you guys because it's helping you and it's helping me and it's just helping everyone. I love it. Alright, so what I'm going to talk about today is the break and retest strategy. And for you to understand this, it's very simple, but for you to understand this, you need to understand market structure, right? So we look for trending markets. As technical analysts, our main concern or our main focus, our number one goal here is to look for trends. We don't really like ranging markets. It's way harder to trade a ranging market. Most of you are going to have a much easier time finding a trending market and riding that trend. So let's look at how we actually identify an uptrend just quickly here, right? We have a high, a low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. That is the definition of an uptrend, right? And what you have right here is a horizontal support and resistance area, same right here and same right here, right? So just like I said in the beginning, we said that technical analysts, our main focus should be finding trends. And we also have to ask ourselves, how can we participate in the trend, you know, with managing our risk along the way? Well, a great way to participate in a trend is to use the very simple break and retest strategy. And what is that based on? Well, it's based on the notion or the fact that when a resistance level gets broken to the upside in a downtrend, it's very normal for that resistance area to then get retested as support, and that is the whole idea. You have a break and a retest, the break and retest strategy. What you do is you look at an uptrend, you wait for price to hit resistance, you wait for that for that resistance area to get retested as support, and that is where you buy. You then take profits, at least partial profit, at the last high, the local high right here, and you try to ride this trend until the end of trend. Now I'm not going to go into any detail on how you identify what could be a possible ending trend, because that is going to be a much longer video, and I'm probably going to make a new video on that, how to identify different types of market structure and look at the behavior of those trends. So that's definitely something to look forward to in the future, where I make more videos like this one to kind of complement this strategy and make it a more complete one. Okay, so let's look at a couple of examples here, right? Let's see, we got cake right here, cake versus USD on FTX, and I have two levels here of interest that I wanted to show you. So obviously you have here identified that cake is in an uptrend, right, with higher highs and higher lows, and you have the exact same thing that I've showed you in the other chart. Obviously the market structure is not going to be perfect. It's not going to be the perfect higher highs and higher lows, but this is the general idea, right? You have a, you know, price breaks a resistance level to the upside right here, and then you have a rounded retest right here. Why am I, well, you know, why do I talk about rounded retest all the time? Well, a rounded retest means that it's not going to be a fake out. If you have a, you know, the breakout candle closing above, and then you have multiple candle closes right this, and markets giving you a rounded retest, it gives, you know, the market is giving enough time to accept this level as support. If there's just a candle like this, it's not giving enough time above that level to accept the resistance level as support after breakout, and usually when that happens is you get a fake out, right? So you have a breakout right here and a rounded retest, right? You want to enter Now, I'm not going to go into any detail on entry triggers. I'm just going to give you this idea and this simple system. Then it's up to you to start backtesting and implementing your own ideas into this, to put your own edge and your own personal touch on this system to make it your own and up, up the profitability and the win rate. I'm just giving you this simple foundation of a profitable system that is extremely simple. It's really this simple, right? So you want to enter on the retest of the breakout level right here. The stops should be below the swing low, the low of the move that broke the level. I think this works great on the 4 hour. So in this case, it would be the stops below the last swing low on the 4 hour right here. Take profit, at least partial take profit, should be at the last local highs, just like I showed you in the chart before. And then you let this run. You let this run with a trailing stop above every new swing low on the 4 hour. In this case right here, you might probably have gotten stopped out up here. It's a decent 4 hour trade, right? You're riding the trend quite nicely here. You're probably getting stopped out here because you could view this as a 4 hour swing low. Obviously, if you wait for this swing low, you would still be in the trade, and you would be in the trade for quite a long time probably. You would maybe get stopped out somewhere up here for a very, very profitable trade. Now, here's another. Let's say you do get stopped out here. So when you get stopped out for a quite good profitable trade, you just wait for the next opportunity. And here's a good resistance level. You see a break above that resistance level around the retest of the breakout area. You enter on the retest of that breakout area, stops below the swing low, the low of the move that broke the level, and you would then take some profits at the last highs, which is actually 2.25 R. So pretty good just in of itself, just taking profit here. But then you would move your stops up with every new swing low. Now that might be here, or if you're a bit more conservative, if you're a bit more risky, you might want to use that swing low, then this swing low, this swing low, this swing low, and that swing low, and that's probably where you would have gotten stopped out, right? So by playing this very, very simple break and retest system and strategy on Cake, you would have catched pretty much the whole last up move, right? And you would have gotten stopped out where you had a break in trend, where the trend pretty much ended, right? Very simple stuff, guys. If you like this video, and you want to see more videos like this one, and you want me to expand on this, maybe talk a little bit about how you could have different entry triggers and make the system a little bit more advanced, maybe add some indicators and stuff like that, leave a comment in this comment section below, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, guys, I'm in the Birb Nest all day, every day. If you want help with anything, go to thebirbnest.com/free trial and try out it for 7 days free if you want to get help with developing your own trading system. All right, guys, have a great day, everyone, and see you guys in the next one.